Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Preeti Nayak, consultant dermatologist working at Cutis Academy of Cutaneous Science, Bangalore. We at Cutis Hospital have come up with this innovative idea of getting these videos every day to reach out to our patients and everyone out there. You might already be familiar with our set of daily bulletins which we have been releasing. On continuation of that, today I am going to speak to you on white spots on the skin. White spots on the skin can be anything. It need not be what you are thinking about. There are 100 plus reasons for skin to develop white spots. If you have developed a white spots during this lockdown, do not panic and approach your dermatologist. Few reasons can be like allergy, they can also lead to white spots, including sunlight can cause allergy. So anything can cause allergy which can lead to white spots. Aging can lead to white spots. And even these moles can also present as white spots. So an initial evaluation by a dermatologist is a must. Yes, not so uncommon cause of white spots over the skin is vitiligo. So what is vitiligo? Vitiligo is an autoimmune condition in which our skin starts to lose pigment. Who can get vitiligo? I would say everyone can get vitiligo, but then some would have more chances of getting vitiligo due to predisposing factor. The predisposing factors are again autoimmune conditions like diabetes, thyroid disorders, and even sudden illness or sudden excess of stress can lead to vitiligo. So vitiligo usually appears as pale white patches on the skin which eventually starts increasing in size and starts appearing in different locations. It can occur on the fingertips, it can occur on your lips, scalp, anywhere. The next big question is, does vitiligo have a cure? Yes, a big yes. Vitiligo does have a cure. In fact, few patches might start repigmenting by itself over time. Few patches might need creams, oral therapy or phototherapy, that's light therapy, in order to stop the disease and cause the repigmentation. In case if you have that tough non-repigmenting ones, then we can do surgery or tattooing as a daycare procedure and help you gain back those pigments as well as your confidence. If suppose you have these new white spots which has developed during this lockdown period, then as already mentioned, do not panic. Here are few quick tips which you can follow at your home till you meet your dermatologist. First one is good photo protection. This is a must. What happens is if you have vitiligo or any white spots on the skin and if there is sun tanning of the surrounding skin, then there will be an increase in contrast between the two. This will lead to the patches to appear more whiter. Sunburn in case of vitiligo patches or any white spots is a big no. Next point is avoid home remedies and own remedies. Third point is you can cover these patches with cloth or concealers and makeups. A good perfect matching concealer should do the trick. Stress again is one more factor which will lead to increase in the vitiligo patches or white spots. So what you can do in this lockdown period is you can start doing these relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, and you can avoid stress which will in turn control the disease. The next important point is about diet. There is no direct relation between increase in vitiligo patches and your dietary consumption. There is a myth that sour foods can increase vitiligo. As already mentioned, it's a myth. In fact, sour food is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants and other important micronutrients which will help you overcome this disease. Now, coming to our patients who have not been able to meet us due to this lockdown, if you are only on topicals or creams, do continue it till you meet us again. If you are on oral tablets, it can be steroids, it can be azathioprine, it can be methotrexate, which we would have put it to control your disease. So what you can do is, the best way is to reach out to us, and that can be done by telephonic conversation or through mails. If you are on phototherapy, if you have a handheld machine at home, then do continue it till you meet us again. But then if you are coming to our hospital for phototherapy, whole body or targeted phototherapy like Excimer, then it is okay. Now you can stop it for now and we can restart it once this lockdown period is over. Till then, what I would suggest you is you can go out in the sunlight and expose maximum of your patches to sunlight between 3 to 4 p.m. in the evenings. So that's about it. Stay home, stay safe, take care, do proper hand hygiene. We will come over this together.